Label noise in machine learning. Label noise.
Label noise is when some training examples are given the wrong label or inconsistent labels, so the model is asked to learn from incorrect answers. You can think of it as teaching a student with an answer key that has random mistakes sprinkled throughout.
A simple way to picture label noise is a quiz where a few questions have the right question, but the answer key marks the wrong option as correct. Even if the student is smart, repeated exposure to those bad answers slowly pushes their understanding in the wrong direction. In machine learning, the model is that student, and noisy labels are those misleading answer keys.
Imagine a medical image classifier trained to detect pneumonia from chest x-rays, where some images labeled pneumonia were actually normal and vice versa. That label noise makes the model memorize spurious patterns and reduces its reliability in the real world. This is conceptually related to issues like data distribution shift, where the data the model sees during training and deployment don't fully match.
Label noise matters because it can cap your model's best possible accuracy, hide overfitting, and make evaluation metrics look better or worse than they truly are. It is especially critical in domains with expensive or subjective annotation, like medicine, law, or content moderation.